Hi, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get money off of DoorDash. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. To withdraw money from DoorDash via FastPay, first ensure you have a debit card. Then, confirm that you've linked your direct deposit to your bank account. Here's how to do it. On your mobile device, open the DoorDash app and navigate to Earnings. Locate the bank icon on your screen and click to see the available payout options. From the list, tap FastPay. Follow the on-screen prompts and provide your debit card details. It'll take up to 7 days to approve your request. After 7 days, navigate to Deposits and Transfers and click Next. Tap Cash Out with FastPay and transfer your preferred amount to your debit card. The transaction will cost you $1.99. It's important to note that to qualify for FastPay, you must have been a DoorDash member for at least 2 weeks and have completed 25 jobs. So there you have it. Follow these steps to get money off of DoorDash. Thanks for watching till next time.